I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canon M50 to a DJI Ronin SC. We will cover the necessary physical connections, ensuring your camera is properly mounted and balanced on the gimbal. Next, we'll dive into the crucial camera and gimbal settings for seamless control. Finally, I'll share some helpful tips for troubleshooting common issues and optimizing your shooting experience. Let's get started. First, securely attach the quick-release plate and riser plate to your Canon M50 camera. The riser plate is especially useful for smaller cameras like the M50 to achieve better balance. Next, mount your camera onto the Ronin SC gimbal. Ensure all your accessories, like lenses and microphones, are attached before proceeding. Then, connect the provided USB-C to micro USB control cable from the gimbal's control port to your camera's micro USB port. A 90-degree adapter can be very helpful to prevent the cable from obstructing gimbal movement. Achieving perfect balance is critical for smooth footage and optimal motor performance. Ensure your camera, lens, battery, and any other accessories are all attached before you begin balancing the gimbal. Once balanced, power on your Ronin SC first, then power on your Canon M50. In your camera settings, set the focus mode to autofocus to enable control from the gimbal. Also, disable auto review and set the USB connection to PC remote to reduce latency and ensure proper communication. The Ronin app is your command center for fine-tuning motor parameters, performing auto-tune and updating firmware. It also unlocks intelligent features like active track. The gimbal's control button allows you to start and stop recording or capture photos directly. If your camera isn't recognized, try restarting both the camera and the gimbal, or simply reconnect the control cable. For advanced users, a separate focus wheel accessory can provide precise electronic focus control directly from the Ronin SC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.